Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am going to go over the colors. We're going to use Pourage Posse Galaxy Blue Shimmer. I have Pourage Posse Twilight Pearl, beautiful. I have Magic Fly Sky Blue, pretty color. I have Magic Fly Steel Blue. I have a little bit of Art Alchemy Ice Queen. And we are going to swipe with 24 karat gold. Let's get started. If you have not tried the Pourage Posse paints, they are amazing. I don't use them enough, and I think it's because there's just so many options out there. And no excuse, but they're gorgeous. This is one of her newer ones, Christina Welsh. Hi. Okay. Magic Fly. These are paints that I've had on my shelf. They come in a box, and just trying to get rid of them. Okay. I think I'll put this Art Alchemy on here real quick. This is more of a violety blue. Okay. I'll put this cap right back on because this stuff is tiny little bottle for $9. And the problem lately when I've been doing these is that they're so small, I waste a lot of paint. And that is just my own fault. Because I just love putting the paint down on the canvas. All right, so here we go. Let's just waste this paint like I've been. Okay. I don't think I'm going to smooth it together today. I think I'm just going to rock it out and rock it out this way. Okay, beautiful. Just cover all these edges. I didn't do too bad. There is some wasted, but now the Magic Fly are more of a craft paint, where Pourage Posses are very pigmented. They're highly pigmented, and they're not, to me, they're just excellent quality. All right. Beautiful colors. All right. I guess I'm going to swipe. I'm going to take the top off. And we are going to swipe with this gold. Why not? I don't have a lot in here, though. I need to be really careful. Got it. There's a little bit left. I'm going to do a surface pull. With a surface pull, I use plastic. Okay. I'm going to set the plastic in. And I'm going to pull it over the surface of the paint. Yeah, that's okay. Wiping this off. I just use a baby wipe. I'm out of my Hippie Crafter wipes. They're amazing too. All right. All right, I'm going to tip it about. I'm sorry if you hear construction on and off. We are preparing for our pop-up, and my husband is building me a shelf. I think every time we have get one. He's building something new. We come up with a new way to kind of display our stuff. All right, let's think about what we want to do here. I think I'm going to go this way first. Okay, I'm going to go over. I'm going to play around with this and see what kind of background I get, okay? I don't typically go this way. Once I put it on that other end, I typically stick with it going that way. Okay, I'm going to go off this edge really quick. Okay, let's go back this way. But I do think that it adds character. Let's turn it this way, see what we got. Let's bring this down a little bit more. There we go. There we go. It's pretty. All right. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a cluster. That's why I put these down. Okay, I'm doing a cluster. I kind of wanted them to touch. Beautiful. I do love that. Okay. Pretty cluster. Love it. All right. And once I get a cluster like that, I try to figure out, what do I want to do? Let's put one here. Okay. I think I'm going to do one here and here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to do kind of a big cluster if I can. And we're going to bring some gold up into that. Don't you worry. Separate some of these petals. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Let's kind of just create a really pretty flower as we go along. Okay, we are going to go through and we're going to go ahead and add some stems on all of these flowers. That kind of gives my eye a way to figure out what I'm going to do next for the bottom part of the flower. Just helps me see the flow of the petals. So I am going to put some music on because this, sped up, it's a little bit longer process than it really looks. So sit back and relax, and I'm going to show you the final up close results. I will see you there.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight.
Look at these beautiful flowers. I am in love. I am going to do a series using 24 karat gold, or any gold for that matter. In my golden series, this is the first one. And this is going to be, I thought about putting one up here, but I'm not going to mess with it. This is beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this flower pop. I am in love with these colors. I will be sure to show you the dried results, and it's going to go in a black frame. So I will see you there. Okay, here are the dried results after it's varnished. It absolutely turned out stunning. I want to thank you to the client that purchased this painting from the bottom of my heart. I didn't even get a picture of it in the black frame before it was sold. And thank you to everyone that's been purchasing my flower pops locally. It just validates that these flower pops are what really makes me who I am as an artist. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Happy New Year, everyone. This is my first video. Many more to come. I hope you have a healthy and prosperous new year. Take care. Till next time.